First line. Global Family Day is celebrated every year on the 1st of January. Second line. It promotes the message of peace, unity, and love in families. Third line. This day encourages people to spend quality time with their family members. Fourth line. Global Family Day reminds us that strong families build a strong society. Fifth line. It teaches the values of cooperation, respect, and understanding. Sixth line. Families help individuals grow emotionally and morally. Seventh line. The day highlights the importance of solving problems through peace, not violence. Eighth line. Sharing meals and conversations strengthens family bonds. Ninth line. Global Family Day also spreads the idea of global peace and harmony. 10th line. Celebrating this day makes the world a happier and more united place.